What's up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation Station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. As you come in, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, the subscribe button, hit the notification button when if you come on in and you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Well, we getting to the end of the year. I hope you guys were able to set up your Acorn Challenge and you've been rocking with the Sack Black Nation for a few years. I hope so. And if you have not, I'm going to put a link below where you guys can get started today. And if you get started with Acorn, they will actually give you $5. They'll give me $5 for even telling you about it. But we hope that you guys have already started your Acorn account. We hope that you have been doing it over time. We hope that you have been, you come together with your family and you guys have been updating on each other on how it is that you're doing with your Acorn Challenge. Now, why do we do Acorn Challenge? Why do we put $5 every single day into an Acorn account? For the simple fact that we don't want to be the average person. The average person does not have $450 in their bank account. We don't want to be average. We want to be far beyond average. And we want to have any type of funds that we need on hand when we need it. And that's why we started the Acorn Challenge, because we just don't want to be the average person. And today, I told you, like in the last video, we're going to give you an update every time this particular account goes up $100. So that's why we want to take you. The main thing is that we want to keep doing this. We want to do video after video after video after video. We want to get hundreds of videos. We want to do about 100 videos. And we want to take you simply from the $5 that you put into your bank account, that little $5, and we want to take you to $15,000. We want to take you to $15,000. We want to take that simple $5 that you're using every single day, and we want that thing to grow to $15,000. And that's just by simply setting up your account with Acorn and letting it grow over time. So let's go ahead and show you exactly where we are with our Acorn account. And you can see that this account is now at $3,319. $3,319 by simply putting $5 into an Acorn account and watching it grow. We want you guys to come aboard. We want you to grow with us. You got to remember, your account grows in the stock market. And some people will tell me, it's like, why should I be involved with the stock market? Don't you know that the stock market is a scam? And then I'll tell them, well, do you think that Lotto is a scam? Do you think that scratchers are a scam? Because if you can put $100, $200 a month into the Lotto or scratchers, and you won't put $5 into an Acorn account that'll grow over time for you and your family, I'm not too sure what type of brainwashing has been done to you, but you really need to get some help for that. Honestly, you really need to get some help for that. As people of color, we need to be involved with things that's going to grow our accounts. Financially, we have to get in the global market. We need to be a part of a system that's going to get us from a despair type situation into hopefully a millionaire type of situation. So I hope that you guys will get started today with your Acorn account. Get into the Acorn Challenge and you grow right here with us at the Sack Black Nation. We're not going to tell you what to do. We're just going to show you what we do. And we're going to put some links below where you can get started right now today with an Acorn account. I want you to do it with your family. I want you to do it with your kids, your grandkids. We want this to be a part of your family. We want to be a part of your family legacy. We want you to see you grow your wealth within your family over time. And a very easy and a very simple way to do it is just by simply setting up an account that a $5 automatic account. It's on automatic pilot, and it automatically just goes into your investment account. You don't even have to think about it. Later on, as a family, maybe later on in the month, you guys come together and you think about, you take a look at your account and see how it's doing. You can talk about it. And it's like it's growing over time. You kids, you go to ask your mom, how is our Acorn account doing? Your wife, your husband, whatever. You come and sit down and talk about how is our accounts doing over time. And it's going to build. It can't help but build. And right now you're in a situation where they're trying to think if they're going to give you a stimulus. With this government is going to give you a stimulus. Well, why don't you give yourself a stimulus? Why don't you just start you an Acorn account and start today? Give yourself a stimulus. Every single year, at the end of the year, you'll have over $1,500 in an account. You don't have to depend on the government. You're doing it on your own. You're letting your account grow over time. So that's what I wanted to do, is give you guys an update. We're going to give you another update. I guess I just showed you it's at 33. So when it goes to $3,400, we're going to give you another update and show you how we're doing. It does work. It works. We've been doing it all this time. We've been doing it, showing you how you can take your $5 to $15,000. We've been doing it over time. It works. I'm not going to do anything that show you anything that doesn't work, because it works. So why don't you get with something that actually works, and then you follow us right here on the Sack Black Nation, and see how it is that you progress and how it grows over time. Before I get out here, I also want to tell you guys about Stock Flipping. That's a book that we're promoting right now. Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle, where you are utilizing stocks as a bank. Like, say you put your money in the bank, and you put $250 in the bank, and your bank, the money just sits there. It really does nothing. Well, we want you to actually use your money and use stocks and buying stocks as a bank, where you put $250 into a stock, and that stock actually goes up $10, $20. And when you withdraw that money, you won't be withdrawing the $250 that you put in the bank. You'll be drawing $270, $280, because your money grows. And we just want you guys to get into that. Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. I'm gonna put a link to the book where you learn about it. And even if you don't get into actually stock flipping and being a part of stock flipping, we want you to understand what it's all about. So I'll put the link to the book below. Hope you guys get started with stock flipping. I hope you definitely get started with your Acorn challenge, because we have to do that. You just have to. It just has to be a part of something that you do. So other than that, man, I'm going to get out of here. It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. I hope you have a good day, good week, a month, and a good year. Remember that civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. You're only earning and learning in life. You only lose when you don't try. And hey, there's lessons and blessings in life, so you must stay blessed at all times. Other than that, man, I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.